so inspirational. The whole day, it's like the food, the flowers, the scents, everything is just done to perfection to that season. And just, Fiona with her flair just does what she does best. So yeah, I just kept coming back for more. Each one has given me something to take away, and it's just gotten better and better, and it's changed my business, it's changed the way I want to live my life going forward. So for my business, I've got a lot more clarity in terms of the type of clients that I want to work with and the type of imagery, the messaging that I want to give out. And had I not done them, I'd just be trundling along.
Floating about.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, it's giving a lot of clarity in that sense.